So this is what I got for my 2007 Toyota Camry hybrid. The rear oxygen sensor, it's failing, so I think it's giving me P0138, I think. So I'm gonna replace it with this one from Rock Auto. It already has anti-seize in it installed. Yeah, they already put it in, and then just put some cover in here. So the rear oxygen sensor in the Camry hybrid is just over there. It's after the flex pipe, and if you're just gonna put your car in the ramp, you have more space in there. And I'm just going to use the socket to loosen it, but then it will be easier to actually disconnect it first. So I'll disconnect the disconnector first and then loosen this one. So I got the connector out. You just press this tab, the white tab, and then pull this gray connector out. Now I'm free to use my tool to loosen this one. I put some PB blaster ahead of time to loosen it. So luckily I was able to loosen it without much effort. Probably the PB blaster helped. And I'm just going to take it off by hand. Yep. So this thing is not rusted at all. Yeah, it's all clean. Yep. So comparing my old with the new one, it's still labeled as Toyota Denso. This one is also labeled as Denso. The terminal or the head is quite longer, but the sensor length is the same. Yep. And connectors are both the same too. Let me check this side. Yep, connectors are the same. So I'm gonna put this in. So I got the new one in. I'm just gonna retighten them using this one and then connect it. So we're good. After this, I'm gonna test drive it.